New York City is abuzz with an array of exciting events this June, offering something for everyone. From a grand birthday celebration at the Bronx Zoo to free museum days and live performances by a pop icon, here's a detailed look at what's in store. Mark your calendars for June 1st as the Bronx Zoo celebrates its 125th birthday with a spectacular event, Brew at the Zoo. This unique celebration promises an evening of fun and excitement, featuring over 40 pouring stations where attendees can sample a variety of beers and ciders. The event also boasts live music performances that will keep the energy high throughout the night. One of the standout attractions of Brew at the Zoo is the Glow Party. As the sun sets, the zoo will transform into a glowing wonderland, with vibrant lights and decorations creating an enchanting atmosphere. Guests can enjoy the festivities while exploring the zoo's exhibits under a magical glow. The combination of music, lights, and delicious beverages makes this a must-attend event for both zoo enthusiasts and those looking for a memorable night out. For those interested in a more educational and cost-free experience, the Intrepid Museum's Free Fridays are a perfect choice. On the last Friday of each month, including June 28th, the museum opens its doors for free, allowing visitors to explore its vast exhibits without any admission fee. Located on the historic aircraft carrier Intrepid, the museum offers a rich array of exhibits related to military and maritime history, aviation, and space exploration. Free Fridays provide a fantastic opportunity to delve into these topics, making it an ideal outing for families, students, and history buffs. Don't miss the chance to explore the interactive displays and learn about the brave individuals who served aboard the Intrepid. Music lovers have a treat in store, as Justin Timberlake takes the stage at Madison Square Garden on June 25th and 26th. The pop superstar, known for his electrifying performances and a string of hits spanning over 2 decades, is sure to deliver an unforgettable concert experience. Fans can look forward to hearing Timberlake's iconic songs, from early hits like Cry Me a River and Rock Your Body, to more recent favorites like Can't Stop the Feeling and Say Something. Madison Square Garden, one of the world's most famous venues, will provide the perfect backdrop for Timberlake's dynamic showmanship and musical talent. June in New York City offers a diverse range of events that cater to various interests. Whether you're looking to celebrate a milestone with animals and craft beers, explore historical exhibits for free, or enjoy a high-energy concert by a pop legend, the city has something to offer. Make sure to mark your calendars and take advantage of these exciting events to make the most of your summer in the Big Apple.